Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. As you can see, we had a little ice storm last night. Covered everything with, about a 1/4 inch of ice. It's currently about 20 degrees outside right now. So in today's video, we gotta head over to the farm, feed some horses and a cow, and also I'm gonna give you a little update on the F750. A few more problems I ran into with that. And yeah, we'll just give you a little update what's going on around here at the farm and everything. Alright guys, we got some hay loaded up, so we'll go back to pasture, feed the horses. Whew, it's a cold one today. You can tell there's nothing but ice around here. We'll go back here and feed the horses, then we'll go over there and I'll give you an update on the F750. Alright guys, I'm going to give you a little update on the F750 here. Go ahead and see if we can pop the hood here. Alright, let's jump up here. As you can tell, we got the new water pump on there, new thermostat, we got a new gauge ran, cap and everything. We have one little problem. Alright, I just add a little bit of more antifreeze to it so I can show you what my problem is. Come down here. We have a freeze plug that is rusted out. So we got a good leak there. Oh shit, alright. So there's another problem we gotta address. Alright, let's go ahead and see if we can get this thing started anyway. It has not been started yet today. Like I said, it is 20 degrees outside. Here's that new gauge I put on here. I don't even know if I got the battery hooked up. Let's go check. Do not. I did get a new battery for it though at Tractor Supply. So if you want to help out this channel, you can go to my link, Tractor Supply link down below here, affiliate link. Anything you buy off that link, actually get a little commission, so that would help out the channel. So anyway, all right, let me get a couple pumps here. See if this thing will start. Thing starts so good, I don't know why. Throttle sticks a little bit. I need to work on that. That's why I'm using my hand. He's a work in progress. So guys, that's the update on the F-750. I'm still waiting on my garage to get built. Got all the concrete work done, as you can see from this picture here, but I'm supposed to be getting the building started here hopefully in the next couple weeks. So once I do that, I'm gonna get this truck over there, work on it inside, because it's no fun working on it in this weather. So that's kind of the update on this truck. Just kind of waiting for it to get the garage finished up, and we can get it over there, fix that freeze plug in the block, and then we'll see from there. Also, I'm going to work on that Model A once I get the garage built. I just don't have any room over here at the farm. Got all the barns full, garages, so kind of just waiting on that. So if you're wondering about this truck, I'll probably be trying to get this truck started here in the near future, because it actually has, if we get this hood open, it actually has another FE motor. This one's actually a 390, I believe. One in the dump truck is a 352. This motor actually been recently rebuilt before we parked it, but it's still been sitting for at least 10 years. So if we got problems with that motor over there anymore, I might just go ahead and swap this engine out of this thing if it's running good. So that'll do it for this video. Just wanted to kind of give you a little update what's going on with some of the projects here. The weather's just too freaking cold to really want to mess with much right now, but yeah, so that's kind of the update on everything. I probably will be working in the shop over here on the 1066 hopefully this week, so maybe I can get some content there. But like I said, just kind of waiting for the garage to get built over at the house. That way, you know, we can get some of these projects in there and have a nice place to work on them. So that being said, thanks guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.